So we've moved on from the meeting bars, the A25 and the A40 that we looked at just now, and now we're looking at, what's the name of this product, Nilesh?
It's called a Meeting Board Pro.
Meeting Board Pro, okay. And the cool thing about this is it's not just a very pretty HDMI high-res screen, but it's got microphones built in the top here. It's got a super cool camera up there, which you're going to tell us all about in a minute. Speakers down at the bottom here. And the cool thing about this that makes it unique from the other products we just looked at is that this one you can just literally plug and play. You can take it wherever you want. And what do you need to make this to run?
Just a power cable and Wi-Fi,
right,
or a LAN cable.
So your caretaker in a school could wander into a room, plug it into the floor, connect it to the Wi-Fi, and away you go.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you want to show us how it works then?
So it's a touch screen basically. So you just press join, your meeting's live. So for a small room, there's an inbuilt camera. That's triple cameras, 50 megapixel each. So it does IntelliFocus, but then for your larger meetings, you also have the PTZ camera, which comes into play. So if you have a larger enough room, you could use the PTZ camera.
And when we're talking, does it take a little while for it to sort of pick up me and then split screen what we're doing? Or is this on wide screen at the moment?
You can have that. So that's on Autoframing. So if we just come in, it zooms in. If we walk out, it zooms out.
Yeah,
so
that's cool.
Keeps everyone in the frame. That's probably your best friend. But if you wanted further AI functionalities, you also have options such as picture-in-picture, where it focuses on the active speaker. So as I'm speaking, it focuses on me, but then it gives you that room overview as well.
That's very cool. So if I start talking now and asking you where the camera is, oh look, over to me. That's brilliant. What are some of the other things you can do with it?
So you can fire up a whiteboard while you're in a meeting or out of a meeting. So it does take multiple inputs, so two people could write on it at the same time. It does recognize your finger, but it has palm rejection, so while you're writing, you don't rub off something else. But other than that, very responsive.
And these could get saved down to like a meeting notes afterwards, and that will automatically get joined into the meeting for the participants afterwards.
Yeah.